and a demand would have been made to the government or to the Honorable Speaker that we want the first discussion on power crisis and suicide of farmers, I'm sure the government would have agreed. But that demand was also not made, sir. And now, sir, today, I know that farmer suicide is a major issue which needs to be discussed. Power crisis, power situation, whatever, that is also a major issue which needs to be discussed. But sir, we have two questions. One about the power and also another question about power related to the farmers. So sir, if anybody is serious, they should initiate a discussion on this. They should discuss on this question hour. And one more point I would like to read, sir, in this BAC agenda which is there. The second point which also says that it was also decided that the question hour will be strictly up to 11 a.m. every day. If any subject requires further discussion, it will be taken up as a half an hour discussion also. So sir, these two questions are there. If the opposition parties feel that both these questions are very important related to power and the suicide of the farmers, we can extend, as per the decision of the BAC, we can extend this for half an hour. And when the government has come forward and said that they are prepared for a discussion, they are prepared for a discussion whether it is today, tomorrow, any time. And the government has also come forward, Honorable Chief Minister Sahab has also come forward and said that the government is prepared for a discussion. And if needed, a statement will be given to this House about the power situation. When there are two questions over here, I am sorry to say that with this agitation, one thing which comes out very clear and loud to the people of Telangana is that the opposition parties are really not interested in discussing the suicide of the farmers and the power crisis. They are more interested in creating a drama and a tamasha. And they just want to say that if they are very serious, they should let this question hour come. Why are they running away from question hour? Why are they running away from the third question, which is about the power crisis? Why are they running away with the question which is about the farmers? They are running away because they do not have words or any material to speak. If you are strong enough, please come back. I request my all opposition parties. Congress have been a ruling party, major ruling party in the past. They are a very responsible party. Telugu Desam party is also a ruling party, responsible party, ruled in the past. BJP is ruling the nation, the country over a responsible party. I request all the members to please come back to your seat, let the question hour come, we'll discuss the power problem, we'll have. And lastly sir, I want to come on record and say that sir, whatever is needed and is necessary to run the House, the government should act upon that. And if necessary, sir, I would say that the members disrupting the proceedings of the House should be suspended from the House, and the proceeding and the business of the House should continue, sir. Thank you, sir. Minister Garu.
Sir, ఇప్పుడు అందరికీ అవకాశం ఇచ్చింది సార్. దయచేసి నేను చివరిగా కోరుతున్న అధ్యక్ష, గౌరవ సభ్యులను కూర్చోవాల్సిందిగా నేను కోరుతా ఉన్నాం అధ్యక్ష. దయచేసి కూర్చోమని సహకరించండి. బడ్జెట్ మీద చర్చ ప్రారంభిద్దాం అధ్యక్ష. మరి లేదుగా మేము కూర్చోము అంటే అధ్యక్ష, మేము తప్పనిసరి పరిస్థితుల్లో మరి సభ్యుల సస్పెన్షన్ కు తీర్మానాన్ని ప్రవేశపెట్టాల్సి వస్తుంది అధ్యక్ష. దయచేసి చివరిసారిగా విజ్ఞప్తి ఉన్నా, కూర్చోమనండి, చర్చల్లో పాల్గొని మన సజావుగా సాగడానికి సహకరించండి. ఏ అంశం మీదనైనా మాట్లాడేటువంటి అవకాశం ఉంది సార్. వాళ్ళు సస్పెండ్ చేయడం కోసమే, ఇవాళ సభను అడ్డుకోవడం కోసమే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినట్టుగా కనబడతా ఉంది. తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ తీరు చూస్తా ఉంటే కేవలం సభ జరగకూడదు, సభలో చర్చ జరగకూడదు, చర్చ జరిగితే మా బండారం బయటపడుతుందనే ఉద్దేశంతోనే ఇవాళ తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినట్టు కనబడతా ఉంది సార్. అధ్యక్ష, ఇక వాళ్ళు ఇన్నిసార్లు ఇన్ని విపక్షాలు, ప్రతిపక్ష నాయకులు ప్రభుత్వం తరఫున ఇన్ని విజ్ఞప్తులు చేసిన తర్వాత కూడా వారు ఇంకా అదే పద్ధతిని కొనసాగిస్తున్నటువంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో తప్పనిసరి పరిస్థితుల్లో సభ జరపాలనేటువంటి ఉద్దేశంతో, సభలో చర్చ జరగాలనేటువంటి ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ ప్రభుత్వం ఈ సస్పెన్షన్ తీర్మానాన్ని ప్రవేశపెడతా ఉంది. అధ్యక్ష, స్పీకర్ సార్, ఐ బెగ్ టు మూవ్ దట్ అండర్ sub rule 2 of rule 340 of the assembly rules that the following members named by the honorable speaker be suspended from the services of the house for 1 day. Shri Erabelli Dayakar Rao garu, Shri A Gandhi garu, Shri M Gopinath garu, Shri M Kishan Reddy garu, Shri M Krishna Rao garu, Shri T Prakash Gaud garu, Shri S Rajendra Reddy garu, Shri A Revant Reddy garu, Shri G Sayana garu, Shri S Venkata Veeraya garu.
Motion is moved. The question is that the members be suspended from the service of the house for today. Those who are for the motion, please say yes. Those who are against, please say no. Ayes have it. Ayes have it. The motion is carried and the following members are suspended from the service of the house today.
Members to leave the house.
I request the suspended members to leave the place. I request the suspended members to leave the house, please. I requested the suspended members to leave the house. I request the suspended members to leave the house. I request the suspended members to leave the house. All the questions are postponed. Now, the papers included in the agenda are deemed to be have been laid on the table. Now, the discussion on budget and Jana Reddy garu budget మీద మాట్లాడాల్సిందిగా